What the app will do is update the information every morning, as I already mentioned, collect all the latest updates. I love tools that are advanced but feel simple on the surface. I like AI systems that require very little input from humans and are able to do the heavy lifting on their own. Lately, I care more about AI tools that feel like medication rather than a vitamin. In plain terms, in this context, I call medication an AI tool that helps you make money, as opposed to a nice-to-have AI toy designed mainly for fun and leisure. In this video, I want to put DeepAgent by Abacus AI to the test. The tool is designed to help you create complex systems that boost productivity, business operations, and overall results. For example, with DeepAgent, you can describe what you want: a dashboard, a scraper, an automation workflow, or even a small web application. And DeepAgent will take care of it from A to Z. The AI agent figures out the structure and puts the pieces together for you. That's of course the theory, but let's actually test it. By the way, the basic version of DeepAgent is included with the Chat LLM subscription. And if you watched my earlier videos, you know that Chat LLM is extremely affordable at just $10 a month. The link is in the description. Feel free to sign up and follow along as I start. Enough talk, let's see DeepAgent in action. Let's dive deep. I am going to click on sign in. I already have an account, so I'll enter my credentials. If you are new, the sign up process is straightforward. Here on the main page, the interface is simple to understand. There's a sidebar for projects, chats, DeepAgent, and tools. In the chat section, you'll find generic AI features, but for this video, we're focusing specifically on what makes DeepAgent different. I'll click the drop down that says chat mode and switch to DeepAgent. Then I'll paste my prompt. This prompt turns DeepAgent into a full competitive intelligence system. I sent my request and now the agent is working. DeepAgent is performing an automated multi-query search workflow. The agent began with the first major task, performing market intelligence research on 6 AI companies. It automatically broke the job into multiple subtasks, such as gathering the latest updates, cleaning the results, and formatting the information for us. Then the agent created a Google sheet and populated it with the data it gathered. This sheet will act as the database for updating the dashboard. Next, the agent moved on to building a dark mode UI dashboard to display the market intelligence data. DeepAgent is essentially behaving like a full development team, setting up a project, creating all the files, writing the code for each part of the dashboard, running the website locally to make sure it loads, fixing issues, and then producing the final build. It breaks this big job into many small subtasks and executes them automatically. It created a full Next.js project with TypeScript and Tailwind, set up the backend to stream data from the Google Sheet, generated the UI components, added dark theme styling, and assembled everything into a responsive dashboard. It handled both the front end and back end without me writing a single line of code. And finally, I can see the preview of my app. On the right, you can see the dashboard preview. DeepAgent handled this impressively. The UI is clean, polished, and modern. Look at this app. Everything is grouped into clear sections. Top updates, today, competitor activity, trending themes, pricing changes, and the AI-generated daily summary. Each card is neatly styled with color-coded tags, timestamps, and source links. The whole thing feels like a real market intelligence platform. And the best part, it will update automatically every morning at 8 a.m. So here's what DeepAgent did. It automatically performed full market intelligence research across major AI companies, created a structured working directory, organized all the results, and built a brand new Google Sheet to act as the dashboard's database. Here's what the sheet looks like. It's impressive how DeepAgent created a database-style structure and integrated everything seamlessly with a single prompt. So now I have a working app and a working database. It's amazing. The sheet gets populated with updates across the AI companies, new features, pricing changes, releases, infrastructure improvements, partnerships, policy updates, and more. And DeepAgent also saved the configuration file with all spreadsheet details so it can continue updating automatically in future runs. What the app will do is update the information every morning, as I already mentioned, collect all the latest updates, and automatically generate a clean dashboard showing new releases, pricing changes, trends, and the daily summary. And it runs once immediately, so the dashboard is ready on day one. Now let's see how the app updates data. I'll trigger a manual update. I want to see how the sheet changes. Here's what I currently have on the dashboard and in the Google Sheet. I'm going to ask DeepAgent to switch from providing updates on AI companies to providing updates on robotics companies. And now let's see what happens. DeepAgent immediately created a to-do list for itself. First, it created a new Google Sheet to serve as the database for robotics updates. Next, it defined the update categories it would be tracking. Then it updated the dashboard UI to reflect the new topic. And now it's performing the research on robotics companies. The research is done. DeepAgent updated the dashboard with the new robotics information. Let's open the updated dashboard. And this is the new Google Sheet for robotics updates. DeepAgent was able to fully pivot from AI companies to robotics companies with one request. And there is also a code section where you can view and edit the entire code base for the dashboard. Pretty impressive for a no-code tool. With ChatLLM and DeepAgent, you can build something massive as a solopreneur, even complex multi-step systems, without knowing how to code. You tell the agent what you want and it plans it, builds it, and keeps it running in the background. The agent handles the workflow, connects the systems, manages the data, and refreshes everything automatically. After watching it complete these tasks end to end, it's clear the DeepAgent isn't just helping, it is actually doing the work for you. It updates data, makes decisions, and keeps everything running while you sleep or focus on something else. What used to require a full engineering team can now be done by one person. So realistically, anyone can create something useful and meaningful with a single $10 ChatGPT subscription and have it running in almost no time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, leave your thoughts in the comment section. I'm done for now and I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.